So I welcome you all to the GRIP Felicitation Program. We are streaming live on Facebook over here right now. So how do you guys feel? You are finally some of the names I'll be telling who are going to the next stage, which is the live quiz today. We'll be giving out the final ranks, and also we're going to talk about the next stage, the third stage as well of GRIP today. So I think we are good to begin. So again, I welcome all the students and the parents also to GRIP Felicitation 2021. So I would like to tell that first of all, GRIP, this program is streaming live on Facebook, and this is a program that is organized by Ask ITians. Ask ITians, as we all know, is a popular name in EdTech industry nowadays. It also has a great record of selections in all exams. These are the toppers of Ask IITians who have performed extremely well in different exams, including IIT JEE, in NEET, then in 12th board exams, 10th board exams, whatnot. Then we have a string of perfect scores in SAT also, and some top results in the Olympiads as well. Now, something is very interesting over here, which I wanted to point out before beginning with this program. If you would notice, there are two names present over here. Mr. Jacob Thomas, All India rank 69 in KVPY, and a JEE main rank under 500 this year, and a JEE advanced rank under 1000. He was the topper of the first GRIP that was conducted by Ask IITians. Over here, we have Mr. Prakhar Gupta, international rank 118, SOF Science Olympiad, and he himself was the third rank holder of GRIP grade 10 last year. So that means there is a big weightage, big importance of getting high scores, good best top ranks in GRIP program. So with this, looking back at the history, we can move back to the next slide. So let me tell you a bit about GRIP, Global Renderings of Intellectuals program, as we call it. Enough with the theoretical learning. That is what the idea is actually behind the GRIP. Only if you apply what you have actually learned in real life, then only we believe you have the real understanding of that concept. And for that, best would be that we understand, we start learning with fun. And since we talk about the application of what we have learned, that is actually done over here. We conduct in this program different stages. And on the basis of those stages, in those different stages that we have, there are various interesting problems which are application based, which the students, the participants, you guys had to solve, after which you could succeed to the next level. So this is what the idea of GRIP is. And with this, I'll talk about when this program started. This program this year started back in mid-September 2020. So that's around 4 months earlier. And in these last 4 months, every one of you have gone through various stages, be it the quizzes that you have given, the activities that you have submitted. And on the basis of this, you guys made to the second stage and went into the super batch that was created over here and underwent different lectures that were delivered by Ask IITians. So in these last 4 months, it was a great journey, not just for you, but for us also. And this year, there were participants with its increasing global presence. There have been participants this year from 22 countries, including India, UAE, KSA, Bahrain, Oman, Nigeria, Singapore, Japan also. And there has been participation of over 1,000 Ask IITians and non-Ask IITians students. So with these huge numbers, we can actually move to what the whole program was about, how it was conducted, what the structure of the program was. So this was the structure of the program. For grade 6th and 7th, we had quizzes conducted, quizzes and super papers. So in quizzes, there were Olympiad level questions of all 4 physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. And super paper was a combined test of all 4 subjects. So those who were the top performers in this program, the top students moved to the second stage of it. You all who are present over here today. In the super batch, the idea of the super batch was to give special lectures that are going to ingrain the interest of you in the recent developments that have been taking place in science, and also the interesting out of the blocks applications of the concepts that you have already learned in this grade. And then on the after the super batches, we have, which we are going to declare about today, the live mega quiz for all three grades, for all the 5 grades, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. The top three grant holders, the top three finalists from this first stage are going to move on to the next stage, which is the live mega quiz, again streaming live on Facebook, which will be conducted next week onwards, the dates of also which we'll be declaring today. And then the last stage of them all is the ICAT, International Competitive Aptitude Test, which I'm going to give you a little bit details of it today also. The structure was a bit different for grades 8th, 9th, and 10th. For grade 8th, we had activities also in addition with quizzes and super paper. So in activities, different tasks were given to you guys, and you performed them really, really well this year. Personally, I also saw many of them, and I was really, really impressed by them. So these were the real application, real life application of the concept that we have learned. And that is the basic idea, the basic soul of GRIP. So with this, I think we can move to the top lectures that had been delivered in the super batches, which all of you guys have attended. So first, I'm going to talk about the grade 6 top super batch lectures that have been delivered. So the first super batch lecture, of course, there were many. These are the top that I have selected. So first is exoplanets, where we talked about the planets which are present outside the solar system. Then angiosperms was another interesting popular topic. Then fireworks and their colors, what fireworks, the chemistry behind fireworks is, and how the different colors come out to be. And then the application of mathematics in the commercial field, commercial mathematics. Then the top lectures that were there in grade 7 were magnetic levitation. Then there was excretion in animals, again, commercial mathematics and fireworks and their colors, in addition to others also. Then in grade 8, important lectures that have been delivered in super batch were astrology and astronomy. So you know what astronomy is from your grade 8 syllabus, right? But how that is actually applied in astrology, like understanding the sun sign, moon sign, all these things. These were delivered in this lecture. Then another interesting topic, very popular nowadays, photoelectricity, on which many devices are working today, have been discussed. Calendar at our fingertips was a lecture to tell you how you can, within seconds, calculate what day light on a particular date, and many other things, interesting things related to calendars. And then lastly, hormones. Then in grade 9th, interesting topics were artificial gravity, the famous black hole image, which had been taken recently, that had been discussed, then crack the code, and then kingdom animalia. And then lastly, in grade 10th, important lectures that were there this year were Large Hadron Collider LHC, very popular. Is time same everywhere? The special theory of relativities lecture. Then quantum physics, its myths and facts. And of course, in addition to COVID, what other pandemics the history has seen? Those things were discussed. So all these lectures you guys have seen, I'm sure you must have enjoyed them all, isn't it? Great. Could you guys tell me which ones were your favorite super batch lectures? Hormones, LHC, exoplanets, relativity, black hole, okay, artificial gravity, magnetic levitation, photoelectricity. Great, great. You mean commercial mathematics, right? Pranav? Okay, great, guys. So these were the lectures, the top lectures that were conducted in addition to others. And now we will move to the grade 6 top results of this year. So after all this grilling through different stages, now we're going to talk about the toppers. So first of all, I'm going to introduce the super paper toppers of this year of grade 6. The first topper is Ayan Arfin from Saudi Arabia, the highest score in grade 6 super paper, and with an equal score was Zaina Fatima from Oman. So both of these guys obtained equal and highest scores in the grade 6 super paper. Congratulations to you guys. And then I'm going to talk about the overall toppers in the program. Based on different quizzes and super paper that they have given, the overall scores have been generated. And now I'm going to talk about the top 15 who have been selected, who have attended the super bash also. So first is Seni Shailesh Kumar Rawal, rank 15 of in the GRIP, grade 2021, grade 6. Congratulations, Seni. Then we have rank 14, Mohammad Fayaz, Lakshya 7 batch at Aska ATNs, and rank 13 has been obtained by Kevin. Guys, you could just drop me a message to acknowledge that you are present over here. Then we have rank 12 obtained by Parth Andhare, Lakshya 7 batch, and then rank 11 has been obtained by Sahil Asyam, Lakshya 7 batch student. Okay, Fayaz. Congratulations. Next, we have Shruti, rank 10, a student of Lakshya 7 batch at Aska ATNs. And then we have Kaustav, rank 9, Lakshya 7 batch. Then after that, we have rank 8, Jayesh Mahakalkar, Lakshya 7 batch at Aska ATNs. And then we have Avigna, rank 7, Lakshya 7 batch. Then rank 6, again we have from Aska ATNs, Diya Paresh. And then we have Sai Ishan, rank 5. Congratulations, guys. Now we have rank 4, Zaina Fatima, grade 6, GRIP program. And these are the top 15 students till rank 4. Rank 1st, 2nd, and 3rd have not been decided because they are still supposed to go to the live mega quiz to determine their final ranks. And the finalists for the live mega quiz grade 6 GRIP 2021 are, here they go. First is Rishika Jain from India. I guess you are over here, Rishika. Second is Ayan Arfin from Saudi Arabia. And the third finalist for this is Tejas Karan from India. So their final mega quiz is going to be streaming on live on Facebook on 29th January. So Tejas, you are here. So Tejas, I would want you to say a few words, introduce yourself, and tell me how you look forward to this quiz. So I'm going to give you the controls. You can open your camera, and then you can say a few words.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Tejas and I am from Aska IITians. I've been studying in Aska IITians for over a year and it has been helping me a lot in competitive studies. And the GRIP program also exposed me to advanced lectures and studies, and I also could participate with other advanced children of my level.
Great, Tejas, great. So you're looking forward to this live mega quiz now on 29th January it is?
Yes, sure.
Okay. What's your plan for future? What do you want to be?
I want to. What do you want to be?
Yes.
I want to be an astronomer after I grow up.
Astronomer. Nice. Okay. Great. So next is Ayan Arfin. So Tejas, let's meet Ayan Arfin also. Ayan, I'm going to give you the controls as well. Yes, Ayan.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Ayan Arfin and I live in Saudi Arabia. I study in class 6 at International Indian School Al Jubair. I took part in Askartian group and I scored rank 2 overall. I appreciate the super batch classes and I recommend everybody to try them. The classes helped me by a lot. All the teachers interact with all the students. I learned many new concepts that may help me in the future. I also like the way they conducted GRIP. I look forward to live mega quiz as a challenge for me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very nice to hear from you, Ayan. All the best and congratulations. And lastly, Rishika, are you present over here? I think we are not able to connect with Rishika as of now. So anyways, when she'll join, we can talk to her again. But anyways, congratulations to all three of you, the three toppers, the three finalists, I should say, will be competing for the top three positions of grade 6. Okay, so with this, I think we can move to grade 7 results now. So in grade 7, again, we are going to start with the super paper toppers of this year. So first topper with the highest score is Abhishant M. Bumrah from India. And the second topper of super paper is Sambuddha Pal, a student of Ask IITians and belonging to UAE. And now is the list of overall toppers also. Anyways, Abhishant and Sambudh, are you present over here? Okay, congratulations, Abhishant. Sambudh? Okay, I think he's also not present over here. But anyways, we'll move to the overall toppers now. So first, again, let's start with rank 15, which is backed by Ishita Vinod of Maurya 7 batch at Ask IITians. After that, we have rank 14 by Shinjini Paul, Maurya 7 batch. And then rank 13 by Divyanshi, Maurya 7. Then let us move to Sriram Vapush, rank 12, belonging to Maurya 7 batch. And then rank 11 by Antrik Mehtu from Maurya 7 batch. Then we have rank 10 by Vaibhav Gupta and rank 9 by Saloni. Then we have rank 8 by G. Shrikar and rank 7 by Sambudhupal. After that, we have rank 6 by Asna Sada for Maurya 7 batch and rank 5 by Zara Mirza Mustafa. Then we have rank 4 by Shayan Yar Khan. And finally is the time to declare the last three finalists for the GRIP Mega Quiz Grade 7 for this year. And the students who are finally going to the live Mega Quiz of Grade 7 are Devanshu Mukherjee, Oman, Abhishant N. Bura, belonging to India, and Rehan Mullah from India. So are you three present over here? Devanshu, Abhishant, Rehan? Okay, so congratulations. Yeah, Rishika, definitely. Okay, so Abhishant, I'll be starting with you. I'll give you the controls.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, Abhishant, congratulations.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Abhishant M. Barua. I study in class 7B of DPS Bangalore East. I had a really good experience in the Ask IITians GRIP program. I enjoyed the questions that were given in round 1 and they made me put my thinking cap on. I liked how the team had communicated with us through Telegram and informed us about the latest developments. I liked the different topics that the team had chosen for us in the super batch meetings. These topics made me curious to want to learn them. The teachers who taught the sessions made them really fun and engaging for me. They were very cooperative and answered any doubt that I had. I'm very elated to be selected as one of the 3 participants for the Mega Live quiz. I look forward to learn many new concepts through the quiz. I'm very excited for New Year's GRIP. Thank you. Next year's GRIP. Thank you.
Great. Anyways, which was your favorite super batch lecture?
I liked the one about magnetic levitation.
Okay, fine. Congratulations. Anyways, we'll move to the next person, which is Devanshu.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, congratulations. Could you tell a little bit about yourself and how you look forward to this live Mega Quiz?
Yes, sir. So, good evening, everyone. I'm Devanshu Mukherjee, and I study in class 7 in Indian School Muscat, which is situated in Oman. The GRIP classes were really informative, but still fun. Like all of the my classmates, I can say, were like asking questions to the teacher, but still, even though they were asking to the teacher, I was still thinking what can be the answer. So like that made my thinking capabilities much more higher. And also like the level which they all possess makes me think that I also have to like make myself higher so that I can compete with them in this grip quiz. So I'm really looking forward to this quiz and I'm hoping that I can score well.
Great, Devanshu. Congratulations. And let me introduce you guys to the finalists we are going to compete with. Rehan.
I am Rehan from Gujarat, India. I study in Mahatma Gandhi International School and I often refer to Ask IITians for my daily exams, and it really helped me, like the mind maps and yeah. So once I saw grip and in grip, it was much different than the other exams. It was much more interesting, and it involved me in the quizzes and the binders, and I am really excited for the mega quiz. And yeah.
Okay, great. Anyways, which was your favorite lecture?
I like the calendar one and the chemistry one.
Okay. Fine, great. These are the toppers who are going to stream live on Facebook for competing and for grade 7th, top 3 positions. And now I guess we can move to the grade 8 now. But anyways, Rishika, let's try if we can hear you this time.
So hi friends, this is Rishika and today I would like to share my personal experience with the grip test series, which personally helped me grow and learn a lot, as a result of which I could take up the first position in all the tests. I would also like to specially mention the introduction of the super batch, in which the highly qualified trainers untiringly guided us to make our concepts clear to the fullest. I'm very happy to be a part of the grip competition. And as the topper, I would like to say it's a very good competition and each of you should participate every year. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rishika. Thank you so much. Congratulations. So guys, these were our the finalists for grade 6th and 7th live mega quiz. And now is the turn for grade 8th, 9th, and 10th, for which actually activities were also conducted. So we are going to start with grade 8 finalists now. So as I mentioned, activities were conducted for this grade. Now, to be honest, all the activities were so good. A lot of efforts were put by all the students in creating those highly creative submissions. And it was immensely tough for us to select good ones out of them because all of them were good. We could just not select the best one. But anyways, with a lot of efforts, we have tried to come up with the top submissions of this year. So I'm going to talk about it. So first of all, the first top submission was given by Hiba Beg of Rama A2 batch at Ask IITians, the biology activity submission. Now, in this activity, we were required to create a working model of the ecosystem. And very beautifully, Hiba has actually created this video. So let's have a look at it. Made by Hiba over here. So congratulations, Shiva, for this awesome submission. This has been rewarded as one of the best submissions, and it is also present. Guys, all the activities that I'm going to show over here, all of them will be present on the Ask IITians website on the blog GRIP, the top submissions. You'll be able to find them there also. And very, very well submitted, Shiva. Very good. Okay, so after this, for the same activity where we were supposed to make the working model of an ecosystem, another submission has also been made. And this submission is by Sanvi Shetty from the Bahrain Center of Ask IITians. So this is how her video goes.
Hi, here is my bedroom garden with my very own life in a nutshell model, which is the simplest form of ecosystem representation, which I created with my little sister. These were the items.
In this video,
we
she has
used for our
explained
DIY
how she has
terrarium.
done things. She has shown everything. And not just that,
First place were a few
after this,
pebbles
she has
and coins,
also actually
where
explained
biotic and
how everything
non-biotic
was,
components
how
interdepend
everything
on
in this
each other.
model that she has created works. What the water cycle of it is, what the precipitation cycle
And
and
more
everything.
exciting was to
Everything has been
explain how
explained
the
in
process
details.
of water cycle in my
So
miniature.
that is really great, Sanvi. Are you present over here, Sanvi? Okay, very good submission, Sanvi. Congratulations.
Hi, here is my
Now, after this
bedroom
two biology
garden with my
activities, the next activity that we're going to move to is chemistry activity, which was actually about neutralization. So you guys were supposed to find you were supposed to explain the real life examples, everyday examples of neutralization. And Sanvi has very beautifully explained, not just explained, actually she showed one neutralization reaction also in the video. So she explained what neutralization is. She started from the basic, how it affects our digestive system also. And then, after she explained all of this, she actually conducted an experiment also in the same way. So grade 6 and 7 students, look at this carefully. This is what you might need to do next year onwards. So the activities also, do these kind of activities. Raksha shows this lemonade volcano is what she has created. Lemon volcano as she calls it. And she shows how the reaction takes place in that.
I'm going to give it a
so interesting is the reaction over here. And then in the end, she has shown what the final effect of it is.
Last one, but not the least, of course, was air pollution and how we can minimize the effect of air pollution. Let's have a look how it has reacted by this time since I was explaining you. Wow, it's come out and it's oozing out of the glass. That's amazing, and here it has formed.
So Raksha, are you present over here? Okay, great submission, Raksha. Okay, so now we are going to move to the next submission, which was the physics activity submission. Guys, the physics submission was living on the moon. So there the students you guys had to imagine you were living on moon. So how different your life is going to be compared to that on Earth. So very good submission has been made by Chaitri Das of Rama A2 batch of Ask IITians. And she has focused on many interesting points. First of all, she talks about the biology, how it changes. Then she talks about the accessibility of water. And most interestingly, she actually comments upon how sound can be created sound can be created for communication on moon. And then she has also used the concept of coefficient of friction, which has been taught to her in the batch. In grade 8 itself, she has been able to understand this concept and use it very nicely to explain how the physics is going to be on moon and how it's going to affect her life. So that is very well done, Chaitri. Are you present over here? Okay, very good submission, Chaitri. Highly impressive. So next, we are going to move to next submission of the same activity made by Rutushri Rajendra from Bahrain Center of Ask IITians. And there also she has explained very interesting things. And most interestingly, how crime will be different on moon, how the teardrops will not be able to fall. And then she talks about the effects of different dates, like different length of day and night over there. So that is again interesting. So Rutushi, you there? I think she is not present. But now let's move to the super paper topper of grade 8. So super paper topper of grade 8 is Arman Hussain from India. Congratulations, Aman. I hope you're present over here. And then let's move to the finalists, the top performers of the whole program in this 8th grade GRIP program. So overall toppers, first one is Avantika Balaji with rank 15 from Rama A2 batch at Ask IITians. After that, we have rank 14 by Raksha Mendan. We saw her activity submission also, Rama BH1 at Ask IITians batch. Then Anoop Haridas has secured a rank 13 in this. Rank 12 has been grabbed by Ritik of Rama A2 batch at Ask IITians. Then after that, we have Prakal Parekh, rank 11. He's from Rubesh Center of Ask IITians. After that, we have Arman Hussain, the Suba paper topper also, rank 10. Then we have Rudra Pandit, rank 9, Rama A2 batch. Then we have Shraddha Salimat, rank 8, Rama G2 batch in the Gulbarga Center of Ask IITians. And then Vishwesh Balaji, rank 7, Rama A2 batch. Then rank 6 has been obtained by Chitransh Rana, Rama A2 batch. And then Satvi Shah from Rama A1 has secured rank 5 in the program. Then we have Sanvi Shetty, again, whose top submission was observed this year, rank 4 from Bahrain Center. So congratulations, everyone. And now it's time to look at the top 3 finalists for grade 8 live mega quiz for this year. The top 3 finalists for this year from grade 8 are Hiba Beg from India, Chaitri from India, and Faiz Khan also from India. So Chaitri, I'm going to start with you. Congratulations. Would you say a little bit words?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, so I have been a part of this Ask IITians program for past 2 years, and I'm really happy with it. And the GRIP super activities and paper and all has made us think out of our regular studies. And it was really interesting, and I'm really looking forward for the GRIP mega quiz.
Okay, great. So Faiz, I'm going to give you the controls.
Yes. Hello, am I audible? All right, good evening.
Yes,
my name is Faiz Khan, and I have been enrolled in Ask IITians for a year now. I thoroughly enjoyed the GRIP program. It was a great experience with lots of exciting and intriguing assignments, along with other activities such as binders and quizzes. And speaking of the Suba batch, the sessions were very benefiting and really interesting to study something out of the box with the experienced and excellent faculty. I'm super excited and really looking forward to the mega quiz. Fingers crossed, I come out with flying colors, and I wish my fellow contenders all the very best. Thank you.
Great, Faiz, well said. Congratulations to you again. Now I'll be moving to Hiba.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, Hiba, you're audible.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Respected teachers, respected parents, and all my dear classmates. I'm Hiba Beg. I study in class 8 in Aditya Birla Public School, Raigada. I'm originally from UP, but I am currently residing in Odisha for the past 4 years now. A little about me. I've been and my interests. I've been a multi-potentialist my whole life, mostly having interest in all fields. And regarding my experience in the whole GRIP program, I would like to say that it has been of such great benefit and learning for all of us, and learning so many new things, most of which were out of the box and stuff we wouldn't usually learn in our everyday school. The maths costumate activity, which was in the first round, really was the most interesting for me, as I would like to go into architecture in the future. So the whole idea of making a house plan really triggered my excitement the most. And I'm really looking forward to giving a tough fight to my competitors in the last round, the live mega quiz. And I would like to thank all my teachers for giving me this opportunity. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Iba. Congratulations to all three of you. We are also looking forward to seeing you competing over there. So dates are out, and this is it for grade 8. All the results have been given. Congratulations to everyone. So guys, with this, we are going to move to the next grade, which is grade 9 results. Again, full of activity submissions, quizzes, super paper, and super batch classes that they have attended. So I guess we can start with the top activity submissions of this year. So the first, we're going to talk about the top physics activity which has been submitted by Snehil Chatterjee, a student of Arya A1 batch at Aska ITians. So the activity was actually about designing their own experiments to use the concepts that they have learned in classes. And very, very interestingly, he has used the concept of parabolic motion, which has been taught to him in the batch. And he designed the whole experiment using a toy gun by himself. And we appreciate this so much. He provided a margin of error also in his result, very mature. And then in the end, he used the results of this experiment to actually conduct another experiment. So that was really impressive. Snehil, you are here? Okay, great submission, Snehil. So after this, let's move to the mathematics top activity submitted this year, again by Snehil Chatterjee only. So in this, a paper was taken, it had to be cut, and using experiments, the volume, the ratio of size of paper and this size of square cut was to be maximized for a maximum volume. And interestingly over here, he has actually used programming to create a function and maximizing the volume through it. Very, very impressive. So now after this, we can move to biology top activity submitted. So biology activity this year was actually about designing an alien using the biology concepts that we have learned. So very interestingly, Medha Hola has made a submission where she has used different characteristics on movement, reproduction, sensitivity, growth, respiration, excretion, nutrition. And considering all of them, she has actually presented a final structure of the alien. So very nice submission. So is this Medha only? Okay, great submission, Medha. Then after that, actually not just one, there were many very interesting activities this year for biology. Another one was by Janani Rajendra Kumar of Arya A1 batch. And she has this alien design which she has presented, again considering many factors. And then another top activity submitted in biology was by Kavni Ranpara, Arya A1 batch. So very well done, all three of you guys. And now is the time to declare the super paper topper for this grade 9 this time. So super paper topper of grade 9 GRIP program of this year is Snehil Chatterjee again from Saudi Arabia, student of Arya A1 batch. Congratulations, Snehil. And now let's talk about the overall toppers for grade 9. So let us start with rank 22 obtained by Adityan S. Nair from Mega Arya batch at Aska ITians. After that, we have rank 21 by Medha Hola, the activity of whom we just saw. Then after that, we have rank 20, Palak Chinogia, student of Ruwais Center of Aska ITians. Rank 19 has been obtained by Kavni, Arya A1 batch. And then we have Sorish Roy, rank 18, Arya A4 batch. Then after that, we have rank 17 by Ayush Kumar, Arya A4 batch again. And then Anugrahan, rank 16, Arya A3 batch. Congratulations, everyone. Then we have rank 15, Sekat Makar, Arya RW1, the Ruwais batch. And then Rachit Radesh Srivastav, rank 14, Arya A2 batch. After that, we have Adya Darpa, rank 13, Mega Arya batch. And then we have Arohi Gage, rank 12, Arya A1 batch at Aska ITians. Then we have rank 11, backed by Ashman Mehta of Arya A1 batch. And then we have Kyle, rank 10 from Arya Even batch. Then we have Manushri, rank 9 Mega Arya batch. And then we have Aditya Menon, rank 8 Arya A2 batch. Then we have Shreya Sinha, rank 7 Mega Arya batch. And rank 6 Rishi, Arya A4 batch. And then Gauri Sehgal, rank 5 obtained in the whole program, grade 9th. And lastly, we have Srisha Das, RA1 batch, rank 4. And interestingly, Srisha was the topper of the program, that was among the top 3 finalists last year for grade 8. So again, this year she has got rank 4, one of the toppers. And now is the time to move to the last 3 rank holders, the top 3 finalists who are going to compete in the live mega quiz in the coming weeks. So these are the final 3 who are going to move to the mega quiz. First is Risha Pandit from Saudi Arabia. Then second is Snehal Chatterjee from Saudi Arabia. And again, Janni Rajesh Kumar from Saudi Arabia. So your mega quiz is scheduled for 5th February, streaming live on Facebook. So I would like to start with Risha Pandit. Risha, are you present over here? Okay, Risha, I'm going to give you the controls.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Risha Pandit of class 9, studying in International Indian School, Al Jubail, Saudi Arabia. It's a great honor for me to be here in front of you all today. I had a great experience with Ask IITians this year, and GRIP 2020 was the best opportunity to foster my creativity and imagination. I was thrilled to participate in the given activities and quizzes which were of highest standard. Had I not qualified for the super badge, I would have certainly missed learning so many new concepts which are not easily available. My heartfelt gratitude to all the extraordinary faculties of Ask IITians for their simplified teaching of complex concepts. I'm counting days for the upcoming mega quiz. Thank you.
Okay, Risha, congratulations. Now let's move to Janni. Janni, are you present over here? Okay.
Good evening, everyone. I am Janani Rajesh Kumar, and I am currently studying in grade 9 at International Indian School, Al Jubail, Saudi Arabia. This year's GRIP program has truly been a memorable and an educational experience for me, for I was given the opportunity to make many projects and activities on a plethora of different topics. So the activities exposed me to a newer fraction of the emporium of knowledge around me. The quizzes, which are also part of the first stage of the program, focused on testing the fundamental principles of science that are the cause of so many different natural phenomena occurring around us. Finally, the super paper, which concluded the first stage of the GRIP program, tested my knowledge in different aspects. Being in the top 20 opened up the opportunity for me for attending lectures which focused on a variety of different topics which are not usually taught. Thus, this provided me with lots of knowledge in certain different aspects of science. Being in the top 3 has also opened up the possibility for me to take part in the mega quiz, which is the final round of the GRIP program. Quizzes always arouse excitement and also test cognitive abilities. Personally speaking, I love taking part in quizzes, and I look forward to taking part in the mega quiz, which would be held in the days to come. Thank you.
Thank you, Janani. Congratulations to you again. And Snehal, are you present over here? I'll be giving you the controls now.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes. Good evening, sir. Yes, you're audible.
Snehal here. This was actually my first time participating in the GRIP program. I had just joined Ask IITians recently. The GRIP test and the GRIP quizzes and the super tests were really challenging and tough. But my favorite part in the entire GRIP program were actually the activities. Although I was actually really worried in the beginning about the activities, once I started researching about the topics, they seemed really fun and interesting. My favorite one being the physics activity, where I was predicting the motion of a bullet shot from a toy gun. I was actually struggling in the beginning to achieve results, but then I worked my way through it and learned many new things in the process. I also really enjoyed the super batch. I got to learn many new concepts, my favorite being the black hole image and the artificial gravity. And I would really like to thank the faculties for that. My experience in GRIP was great. And due to this huge build up for the upcoming mega quiz, I would like to wish best of luck for all the finalists. And yeah, I'm really excited for the upcoming mega quiz. Thank you.
Great, Snehal. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to all three of you. So after this, we also have one of the co-founders of Ask IITians with us, Mr. Aditya Singhal. I would like to invite Aditya sir to say a few words to the students. Aditya sir is an alumnus of IIT Delhi, and he is co-founder of InstaSolve, Ask IITians, Transweb, and Quesba. And he has been revolutionizing EdTech for over a decade now. So I would like to invite him and congratulate the students and say a few words to them.
Hi, Ishan. Thank you so much. And hi, everyone. Wish you a very happy new year, 2021, and hope this year is much better for all of us than last year. And I would like to congratulate all the students here who have done extremely well, super amazing job in GRIP. Frankly speaking, in my college or my school days 20 years ago, there was nothing like this, what you guys are experiencing now. So these opportunities are totally immense. What technology has given us, what great teachers like we have in Ask IITians, they are giving to us. So this is super awesome. And the kind of quizzes, projects, super papers you guys have done, this is very, very amazing to see this. So hearty congratulations to all of us. At Ask IITians, we have more than 20,000 students studying with us, and this is growing by leaps and bounds. Kudos to our great team. And one thing I would like to say here is that creativity is the most important part for you guys. As you are progressing in your schools, and then you will take up some jobs or careers. So creativity is most important. And that's what GRIP is also trying to bring out of you. So the more creative you are, the more out of the box thinking you have, the more ahead you will get in your life. Because now with the advancement of technology, people who are more creative, who are thinking out of the box, who are coming up with new ideas, with new applications of the same knowledge, they will go ahead in life. So some of you might not have tried this GRIP so far. Just try this, think and learn what is not being taught in the school, because that is what is going to get you ahead. Rest, everyone is doing whatever the school is giving you, right? So if you want to get ahead, you have to do something extra. So just focus on what extra you can do. Don't pressurize yourself. Just do physical activities, enjoy, and then study hard and do something extra. Okay. Now also, yeah, so I'll not take much of your time right now. And again, congratulations to all of you and all the best. And some of you who have not joined the GRIP program can actually join, get in touch with our team and join it because this is super amazing. And then I would also like to wish all the best to all the participants for the upcoming mega quiz. So all the best. Thank you so much. Over to you, Ishan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the wishings and blessings that you have given to the students. So guys, with this, I guess we can move to the final grades, submissions, and results as well. So finally, we are moving to grade 10th results, starting with the top activity submissions of this year. So the biology top activity submitted was by Ekam Jyot Kaur from Chandra A1 batch of Ask IITians. And the activity was actually about writing different traits that one transfers from one generation to the other. And they had to write it not just for any other example, but for themselves and their family. And she has very beautifully written the same, created a very beautiful document and drew a chart to explain everything. So this is the top biology submission for grade 10th this year. And after this, we have the top submission for chemistry by Dhruv Jain. where the students were actually supposed to explain the importance of salt in freezing. So he has conducted the experiment and come up with very interesting conclusions as well. Then after the chemistry submission, the top mathematics submission has been submitted by Snehadeep Das of Chandra A2 batch. So this activity was actually about explaining the applications of probability that they have learned in any of the sports of their choice. So Snehadeep has very interestingly again used the concept in the soccer game and told how important it is nowadays statistics to determine how the direction of game is going to go in making the top decisions in the games. So Snehadeep, are you present over here? Yeah, Snehadeep, this was a really interesting activity. Congratulations. And then lastly, let's move to physics activity, which was submitted by Rahul Sarvanan, Chandra A1 batch. So the students were supposed to conduct a Young's double slit experiment, a grade 12 experiment, and he has done that. And not just that, he did the single slit experiment as well. 2 experiments he did, and he has shown his results and explained them very, very well from his understanding from class 10's point of view. So that was really good. Very impressive, Rahul. Congratulations. So after these 4 activities of all 4 subjects, we can now move to the toppers. So first of all, let's start with super paper topper of this year, grade 10th. The super paper topper of grade 10 GRIP is Arpit Agarwal from India. Congratulations, Arpit. Are you present over here? Because, okay, Arpit, you are here. Congratulations. You have got the highest score in the super paper. And now let's move to overall toppers in the program of grade 10th. So rank 20 has been obtained by Hamza Arshid Shah of Chandra A2 batch. Then rank 19 has been grabbed by Rohit D, Chandra A1 batch again. Then rank 18 has been obtained by Kapil Kumar from Chandra A1 batch again. Then rank 17 is by Padmasai Salil, Chandra BH1 batch from the Bahrain center. And then rank 16 has been obtained by Vignesh Vinod, Chandra A2 batch. Then we have Dev Dikshit Kumar, rank 15, Chandra A1 batch. And then we have Gautam Krishna, rank 14 in Chandra BH1 batch. Then after that, we have Mansi Sharma, rank 13, Chandra A2 batch. And Sujay, rank 12. After that, we have Anya Jain, rank 11 from Chandra A2 batch. And then Niranjan, rank 10, Chandra A1 batch. Then Lakshashri, rank 9, Chandra A1 batch. And rank 8 has been obtained by Arpit Agarwal, the super paper topper, Chandra A1 batch. Then Dhruv Shah from Chandra A1 batch again has obtained rank 7. All the students from Chandra A1 batch, I guess. Then Chandra A2 batch, Snehadeep Das has obtained rank 6. Now we have rank 5 obtained by Chandra A2 batch, Shreya Pradhan. And then we have rank 4, Ninad Dikshit, Chandra A1 batch. So these are the top ranks obtained this year from grade 10th. And now is the time to declare the top 3 finalists for the live mega quiz that is going to be conducted for grade 10th GRIP. The top 3 finalists from grade 10th are, first of all, Rahul Sarnan from Saudi Arabia. Then second is Ekamjot Kaur from India. And the third finalist is Dhruv Jain from Saudi Arabia. So congratulations, all 3 of you. So first, I would like to start with Rahul. Rahul actually, interestingly, was this whole mega quiz topper last year for grade 9th. He was the rank 1 holder. He was the winner of the GRIP mega quiz last year. And again, he has been the finalist and he's going to compete again for the grade 10th mega quiz. So Rahul, I would like to give you the controls.
Yeah, good evening to all the AskITN staff, parents and my fellow students. My name is Rahul Saravanan. I am from Tamil Nadu and currently residing in Eastern Province, Saudi Arabia. I actually joined AskITNs in grade 9 and both these years, grade 9 and 10, were very enjoyable. The faculty actually did their very best to make every class fun and exciting so that the classes don't get boring and students don't feel bored at any point during the class. The annual program GRIP served as an exciting way to have a fulfilling competition among us students. For me personally, the GRIP program was honestly very enjoyable. We learned lots of interesting things that we wouldn't have if not for the opportunity presented by ASCIITians. As far as rankings go, I was pleasantly surprised that I placed rank 1 and I have a chance at the mega quiz once more. All the activities in stage 1 of GRIP were quite enjoyable to go through, especially the physics activity. It challenged us to think why something was happening and helped us gain a better understanding over simple phenomena that we would have otherwise simply ignored. For me, the activities were like a chance to apply some of the knowledge that I had learned over the past few years. I'm very excited and I'm looking forward to this year's mega quiz, as it is an opportunity to have a friendly competition with all my peers. I'm also excited because of the prizes. I wish good luck to all my fellow finalists. Thank you.
Congratulations, Rahul. And I hope your experience of being in live mega quiz earlier is going to help you again this year.
Hopefully.
You are the only finalist we have. Yeah, you are the only finalist we have with some experience already of the GRIP quiz. So congratulations. Now we shall move to Ekam. Ekam Jyot, are you present over here?
Yes, am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, so first of all, good evening to everyone and thank you for the recognition. I'm Ekam Jyot Kaur, a 16-year-old from Chandigarh, India, and I'm presently a student of Carmel Convent School. I have been associated with the ASCIITians for the former 1 year and I'm enrolled in their Chandra A1 batch. If I talk about being identified with the ASCIITians, it has positively been a wonderful experience for me. Every faculty member who's taught me, be it in the regular sessions or the GRIP sessions, are absolute masters of their occupied fields. It was a surreal experience to compete with a plethora of outstanding minds in the GRIP program, be it the quizzes or the super paper. The sub-batch classes were also an awesome experience as I had learned about topics that I had only read about in scientific journals or heard about in documentaries. And on the same note, it was a brain-stimulating escapade and I look forward to the mega quiz. That's all from my side. Thank you and all the best to everyone.
Congratulations, Ekam, once again. And now lastly, we have Dhruv Jain.
Yes. Yeah, good evening, everyone. I'm Dhruv Jain, grade 10 of Chandra A1 batch. I have secured a rank 3 in GRIP stage 1. The various quizzes and activities held during the program were fun and informative. The program's special classes, which spanned over 2 months, helped me understand many new concepts and broadened my perspective in various fields of science. We got to know about various ongoing research events and movements along with some mind-boggling questions. The guest lecture was quite illuminating as Mr. Patnaik briefed us about the brain-computer interface and how it can reduce the dependency of the disabled on people. I eagerly await the live mega quiz later this month. Lastly, I thank ASCIITians for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhruv. Congratulations again. So these are the 3 finalists for grade 10th, and we have now the finalists for all the 5 grades, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So the different dates have been declared. Starting next week onwards, we'll be streaming them live. And what is there to win? So let me declare the prizes as well. In the mega quiz, the 3rd rank holder is going to win wireless earbuds. The 2nd rank holder of this program, of this live mega quiz for all the respective grades, the 2nd rank holder will be getting a smart speaker. And the 1st rank holder for in all the 5 grades is going to get a smartwatch. So these are the mega quiz prizes that are there to be won. So I would again say congratulations to everyone. You have participated very real spirit. Your activities submitted were very good. The scores, the submissions have been awesome. And I hope everyone liked the super batch classes as we have discussed. Now let me talk about the next stage of the GRIP program, which is stage 3, which is ICAT. ICAT is International Competitive Aptitude Test. So first of all, it was introduced in 2012. This is going to be the 9th ICAT program that we have this year. And ICAT is an exam which is helping students to benchmark themselves and compare with students around the globe. So basically, as the word says, aptitude, it is going to help us understand in which direction or which stream our aptitude lies in. So which can help us determine in which direction we can actually go for. It would act as a guide. And it is also going to tell you the projected ranks in different exams, which you're going to sit in. So the first thing, why ICAT? You are going to get a rank predictor on the basis of like with the other competitive exam that are going to sit for in future, JEE, NEET, SAT, other Olympiads. So it's going to give a rank prediction for all of them. And then it is also going to give you a complete competitive assessment report, as I already talked about. So let me tell you the schedule for this ICAT. It is going to be there in March 2021. So you can already start preparing for it, fasten your seatbelts, and let's see how this turns out to be for everyone. So these are the 3 stages that we are going to conclude the program with in March. And whatever results we have given over here, whatever certificates we have given, they will be sent to you as well. And finally, let's have a look at the 3 finalists in all the grades. So I would like to conclude this again by congratulating everyone in the end. So guys, the dates are out. So those who are actually moving to the final mega quiz can start preparing for it. And I would wish you all good luck. And that will be it. So congratulations again.